Looking to save time and maintain consistency when listing products? Use templates. Save time while ensuring consistency and control over your listings. Let's take a quick tour of the Templates section. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates. This opens the main grid, where you'll find 6 types of templates: shipping, inventory, price, policy, shop section, and production partner. Each of these helps you reuse common settings across profiles, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Let's start with the most essential one: shipping templates. These are required for every product to list successfully on your Etsy store. They help you predefine your shipping rules, like carrier options, delivery timelines, and rates, all in one place. If you've already set these up on Etsy, you can fetch them directly by clicking the Fetch Shipping Template button on top right of the screen. Click on Create New Shipping Template for a new one. First, select your weight range, if applicable. Then choose the country where your products will ship from. This will be your dispatch origin. Here, enter the shipping carrier, estimated delivery time. Per item shipping cost, additional item charges. Set your processing time. This is how long you take to ship once an order is placed. You can choose a preset range or create a custom one. Just keep it under 10 weeks. Depending on your region, you may also need to provide the origin postal code. Finally, name your shipping template and click Save. If all goes well, it'll be saved and ready to attach to any profile. Back on the grid, you'll see all the key details. From here, you can edit, delete, or filter templates using dispatch origin, cost, or other fields. Next up, inventory templates. These are optional, but extremely useful if you want more control over stock levels on Etsy. Click Create Inventory Template to begin. Start by giving your template a name, then apply the rules. Let's break them down. Minimum threshold. When Etsy inventory reaches this number, the product is marked out of stock. Useful if you want to reserve some inventory for Shopify only. Maximum inventory level. Caps the number of units sent to Etsy, even if Shopify has more. For example, if you have 150 units in Shopify but want only 59 to show on Etsy, set this to 59. Maximum inventory on Etsy, used only when you enable track quantity and continue selling when out of stock in Shopify. Here you can either send a capped inventory value or send the exact inventory from Shopify once done. Click Save, and your template will appear in the grid with all key details. You can filter, edit, or delete inventory templates just like the others. Let's move on to price templates. Not mandatory, but great for setting different pricing rules on Etsy without editing each listing manually. Without this template, we will keep prices the same on Etsy as on Shopify. Click Create Price Template to get started. There are 3 options you can use. Compare at price. If your Shopify product has a compare at price set, this rule tells the app to send that value to Etsy instead of the regular price. Custom pricing. Increase or decrease product prices on Etsy by a fixed amount or percentage. Just select Increase or Decrease, choose the amount type, and enter your value. Price rounding. Rounds off prices to the nearest 0.99. For example, $24.60 becomes $24.99. Apply your rules and click Save. You'll see your template in the price grid with the same options. Next is the policy template, useful for setting return and exchange policies that appear on your Etsy listings. Start by fetching any existing Etsy policies using Fetch Policy Templates, or click Create Policy Template to build a new one. Answer simple questions like, do you accept returns? Do you accept exchanges? What's the time frame for each? Once configured, save the policy. In the grid, you can also consolidate templates, which means moving listings from one policy to another and removing the old one. Next up, shop section templates help you organize your Etsy store. They group related products into categories, making it easier for your customers to browse. You can fetch existing sections from Etsy or click Create New Shop section in the top right corner. Name it whatever fits, like tote bags or wall art, and save. Lastly, production partner templates let you link your listings to any third-party partners who help manufacture your products. Enter the partner's business name and location, and optionally add a description of their role. You can also choose whether or not to show full partner details on your Etsy listings. Click Fetch Production Partner to import existing details from Etsy, just like with policies or shop sections. Quick note, inventory and price templates must be created in the app, but the rest, shipping, policy, shop sections, and production partners, can be fetched from your Etsy shop, and you're done. That's your complete overview of the templates section. Once you have what you need, just attach the templates to your profiles and you're all set. Think of a profile as your shortcut to listing smarter. It organizes products to help you list in bulk, stay organized, and enhance visibility on Etsy without the hassle. For more walkthroughs, keep exploring our tutorials. Happy selling!